data availability in blockchain. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with digital information, but its success hinges on an often overlooked concept: data availability. Without it, even the most advanced blockchain system could fail, jeopardizing the trust and transparency we rely on. The foundation of blockchain: why data availability matters. In the world of blockchain, data availability plays a role as fundamental as the technology itself. To grasp its significance, let's consider a scenario we can all relate to: a concert. Imagine you've spent a fortune on a ticket to see your favorite artist, Taylor Swift. The excitement builds as you approach the entrance, only to find that the ticket scanner is down. Despite holding a legitimate ticket, you're unable to prove it, and you face the dreadful possibility of missing the concert. This situation, frustrating as it is, serves as a perfect analogy for the risks blockchains face if data isn't fully available for verification. Even with all the right pieces in place, if the data isn't accessible, the system's integrity is compromised. In blockchain terms, data availability ensures that every node within the network can access and verify all necessary transaction data. This process is crucial for maintaining the network's trustworthiness and security. Imagine if nodes in a blockchain network were unable to access the full data required to validate transactions. The result would be chaos, a breakdown in trust, and a failure in the very purpose of the blockchain, which is to provide a secure, decentralized ledger of transactions. Without data availability, a blockchain network is like a robot without power. It has all the components to function, but without the energy to power them, it remains a lifeless heap of metal. Data availability ensures that every node can perform its role in verifying transactions, thereby keeping the network secure and free from fraudulent activities. It's this ability to independently verify transactions that ensures the blockchain remains decentralized, eliminating the need for a central authority and keeping the entire process transparent and honest. Data availability also plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the blockchain as it scales. As blockchain networks grow and handle more transactions, the complexity of ensuring data availability increases. On Ethereum's roadmap, for example, the task of processing transactions is increasingly being offloaded to rollups, Layer 2 scaling solutions designed to handle more transactions without overloading the main blockchain. Rollups operate by processing transactions off-chain on their own platform and then sending a summary of these transactions back to the main blockchain. Think of rollups as cashiers in a busy store. They manage individual transactions throughout the day and then report the totals to the store manager at the end of their shift. However, for this process to work smoothly, rollups rely heavily on a solid data availability layer. It's like ensuring that all receipts are available when balancing the cash register at the end of the day. The significance of data availability cannot be overstated. It's what keeps the blockchain running smoothly, ensuring that every node has the information it needs to verify transactions, maintain security, and uphold the system's decentralized nature. Overcoming challenges: data availability's critical role in blockchain integrity. Despite its importance, ensuring data availability in blockchain systems is far from straightforward. Several significant challenges must be addressed to maintain and enhance data availability. One of the most pressing issues is the risk of data withholding. In a blockchain network, data withholding occurs when certain nodes or actors decide not to share critical data with the rest of the network. This can happen for various reasons, including malicious intent or simply due to technical failures. Regardless of the cause, the result is the same. Without access to the full data, nodes cannot accurately verify transactions, leading to potential vulnerabilities in the system. Data withholding undermines the very foundation of trust that blockchain technology is built upon. To counteract this, blockchain networks must have robust mechanisms in place to ensure that data is not only available, but also reliably accessible to all nodes. This is where the concept of data availability layers comes into play. These specialized storage units are designed to keep blockchain data secure and accessible, providing an additional layer of security and reliability. By implementing data availability layers, blockchain networks can safeguard against data withholding, ensuring that nodes can always access the information they need to perform their verification duties. Another significant challenge in maintaining data availability is the trade-off between scalability and security. Blockchain networks are under constant pressure to scale, to handle more transactions and accommodate more users. However, as the network scales, ensuring that data remains available and secure becomes increasingly difficult. It's a delicate balance, much like building a robot that is both incredibly fast and ultra-safe. Achieving this balance requires careful design and engineering. In the context of blockchain, scaling up the system often introduces new risks and complexities. As more data is generated and stored, the network must work harder to ensure that all this data remains accessible and verifiable. This is where innovations like data availability sampling come into play. Data availability sampling is a method that allows nodes nodes to verify the data without having to download the entire data set. By taking random samples of data chunks, nodes can still perform their verification duties without being overwhelmed by the sheer volume of data. This approach enhances efficiency and scalability, allowing the network to grow without compromising security. Technical and infrastructural limitations also pose significant challenges to data availability. Ensuring that data remains accessible and verifiable across a global network of nodes requires not only advanced algorithms, but also robust hardware. Scaling data availability isn't just about improving the software, it's also about overcoming the physical limitations of the hardware that powers the network. It's like trying to fit a massive hard drive into a compact device. Possible, but requiring significant upgrades and innovations. To tackle these challenges, the blockchain community has developed several innovative solutions. In addition to data availability layers and sampling, another promising approach is the establishment of data availability committees. These committees consist of trusted nodes within the network that are responsible for maintaining data availability. By delegating this responsibility to a select group of nodes, the blockchain can operate more smoothly and efficiently, avoiding potential bottlenecks or data shortages. These solutions are essential for maintaining the integrity of blockchain networks, especially as they continue to scale and evolve. Without robust data availability mechanisms in place, the entire system could be at risk, leading to a breakdown in trust and functionality. The future of blockchain: ensuring data availability for a decentralized world. As blockchain technology continues to mature, the importance of data availability will only increase. With the growing adoption of blockchain across various industries, ensuring that data remains available and verifiable is critical to the success of these systems. Whether it's through the development of new data availability layers, the implementation of data sampling techniques, or the establishment of data availability committees, the future of blockchain will depend on innovative solutions to this fundamental challenge. The significance of data availability extends beyond just the technical aspects of blockchain. It's about preserving the core values of decentralization, transparency, and trust that make blockchain technology so powerful. Without data availability, these values are at risk of being compromised, potentially undermining the very foundation of the technology. Looking ahead, the blockchain community must continue to prioritize data availability as a central focus in its ongoing development efforts. This is not merely a technical requirement, but a foundational aspect that will determine the future success and scalability of blockchain networks. Ensuring robust data availability involves a multifaceted approach that goes beyond just implementing new technologies. It requires a deep commitment to innovation, collaboration, and transparency across all levels of the blockchain ecosystem. One of the key areas where the community needs to invest is in the research and development of advanced data availability solutions. This includes exploring new algorithms, improving existing protocols, and developing cutting-edge technologies that can handle the increasing demands of a rapidly growing blockchain environment. As blockchain adoption expands across various sectors, the need for scalable, secure, and efficient data availability solutions becomes even more critical. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, the community can create systems that not only meet current needs, but also anticipate and adapt to future challenges. In addition to technological advancements, fostering a culture of transparency and collaboration is crucial for the long-term sustainability of blockchain networks. Transparency ensures that all participants in the network, from developers to end users, have a clear understanding of how data is managed, verified, and stored. This openness builds trust within the community, reinforcing the decentralized nature of blockchain technology. It also encourages more people to participate in the network, contributing to its growth and resilience. In conclusion, data availability is not just a technical issue, but a cornerstone of blockchain technology. It ensures that the system remains secure, decentralized, and trustworthy, allowing users to interact with the network with confidence. As we continue to explore the potential of blockchain, it's essential to recognize the importance of data availability and the role it plays in maintaining the integrity and security of these networks. The future of blockchain is bright, but it depends on our ability to ensure that data remains available, accessible, and verifiable. By addressing the challenges of data availability and developing robust solutions, we can unlock the full potential of blockchain technology and build a more decentralized and trustworthy digital world. As we dive deeper into the blockchain world, understanding concepts like data availability becomes essential. It's not just about keeping the system running, it's about upholding the principles of decentralization and trust that make blockchain so revolutionary. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue exploring the incredible potential of blockchain technology together.